If you want to turn your ideas into stunning videos in just seconds like these videos I'm showing right now, I will introduce you how to use Hailuo AI to make it, and you don't need any editing skills. In this video, I'm gonna share some tips to you to use Hailuo AI. In the end, I will show you the short video I created with using the same character. If you follow my tips till the end of this video, you can create similar high quality videos after. First, please remember these 5 tips when you give Hailuo your prompts. The first one is the camera shot and motion. It means how the camera frames the scene and how does it move. For example, wide establishing shot, tracking the person, something like this. The second one is the subject and description. This is about who is doing what. The third one is action. This is about how the subject acts or what's happening. The fourth one is scene plus description. This means the environment where the action takes place. The last one is to give specific lighting, style, or mood when it's needed. Now let's do some basic tests. Before I start, please subscribe my channel and you will get more tips about how to use AI tools. Let's log in Hailuo AI. If you don't know the website, you can just Google Hailuo AI. The first one on the search list is the one we are looking for. You can log in with your Google account or register with a new account. When you start using it, you have 3-day free trial. After that, you will get some limitation while using it. Now, let me give Hailuo my prompt, which is a pandas cooking on a bustle street. Here is the video Hailuo just generated, which is so cool, right? Now, let's add some camera angle. I give Hailuo this prompt. A pandas cooking on a bustle street, starting with a close-up of the Vogue, then zooming out. In this new video, you will see the zooming out effect. Very smart AI, well done. If you can't remember the tips when creating your own prompt, please don't worry. We can use ChatGPT to generate prompts for you. So I just opened ChatGPT and asked him that I want to make text-to-video about an animated panda. Provide me prompts for 10 scenes. I see these 10 scenes provided by ChatGPT are in the forest, but I want my panda in the city. Then I tell ChatGPT I need scenes about the panda on the street. Perfect, I got 10 scenes I wanted. Then I pick few scenes I like, copy the description of the scene from ChatGPT to Hailuo AI. Then I got few videos generated by Hailuo. I just put them together. Please check the result.
Wow! Everything here is so big and noisy. And so many people are around me. Scary. I don't care. If you watch me, I will dance more. Let me hop on the bus. This is faster than walking. I am hungry. Let me eat something. I think it's better to cook by myself. And I can also sell food because I am the Kung Fu Panda. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.